you can celebrate the life that you have by being grateful, by looking around. And I think that that can start with the smallest things, looking around and saying, I have food in the fridge, a home, a car, I have family or friends that care about me. And I will say this, even if you don't have those things, even if you are in a situation where you're at, let's call it zero, then the people with a positive outlook and the people that are grateful that they're just alive tend to get better results than the people who are negative. At least that was my experience. So yeah, I think just celebrating the life that you have and do things that you enjoy doing that are fun, that make life more vibrant. Like I like to go dancing. I like to go out on the weekends. I like to go have fun. I like to travel and see new places. So celebrating the life that you have, I think includes being present for it. I think it includes being grateful and having a little adventure.